All right, this is PreCalc assignment 23, chapter 2-5, example 2. Rational on zero test with leading coefficient of 1. So this is one thing you have to know. There's a possible rational zeros. It's the factors of constant term. Constant is this time is 1, right? Factor of the leading coefficient. Leading coefficient is the leading exponents is 3, and the coefficient of the x to the third power is also 1. So you write down the fraction. So the first one is factor of constant term, which is 1. And the denominator is also 1 because this only the factor. So there's two numbers possible. It's positive 1 and negative 1. So what I'm going to do is we're going to run synthetic division. Synthetic division, you have to write down this one and don't skip the exponents. So I will rewrite this question right here with x to the third power. That's 1, the coefficient is 1, plus 0x squared, okay? 0x squared is its number is skipping here, right? And x plus 1, so I write down here, and x plus 1, plus x plus 1. Now, this is not long division, so it's you have to write down coefficient of those numbers. Let me highlight the coefficients if you forget how to do this. So coefficient here, 0, coefficient here, 1 and 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, here's a possibility. You can plug in positive 1 or negative 1. So let's start from positive 1. And I will cut and paste here. You might use it again. Yeah. Okay. Now, the synthetic division, first number, you bring this one down here. Right? So 1 times 1 is 1. You on synthetic division, you add those two numbers, right? So it's going to be 1 here. Again, 1 times 1 is 1. Synthetic division, you add. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 right here. And remainder. So I will put this mark this right here. So here's not a good sign because it's bad sign either, but there's no rational number here for this when x is 1. So the other possibility is negative 1. See if there's a rational number this way. So we do the same thing here. Plug, bring this one down here. It's going to be 1 here. Okay, negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Synthetic division, you add, so it's going to be negative 1 comes down here. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. You add those two numbers and it's going to be 2 here. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. The outcome here, 1 plus negative 2 is negative 1. So last number here becomes negative 1. That's remainder, right? Remainder is going to be negative 2 here. I'm sorry, negative 1 here. Okay, in that case, this is the only possibility of 0, so it didn't work. So your answer should be, there is no rational zeros for this equation. However, when textbook give you the equation right here, and going through f of x equals 0, but this is not the rational number. There is you know that this 0 is not a rational number. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, um, for testing these possible zeros, for textbook, just plug in this. This will work too, but it's going to be the same thing. I use a synthetic division because later on, example, we are going to use synthetic division. Okay, so this is the end of the example 2, and I'll be back for the example 3.